A single Bloomberg article has now resulted in a combined bill of 750,000 Singapore dollars. But the bigger lesson is not only about the amount. It is about how the overall meaning of a news report can carry serious legal consequences. Senior Minister K. Shanmugam and Trade and Industry Minister Tan C. Leng successfully sued Bloomberg and its reporter load away over an article published in December 2024. The report was titled "Singapore Mansion Deals Are Increasingly Shrouded in Secrecy." It discussed good-class bungalow transactions and the limited public information available about such property deals. It also referred to private properties bought by both ministers. In July 2026, Judge Audrey Lim ruled that the article had defamed them. The court found that readers could understand the report as linking their property transactions with secrecy, weak checks, and possible money laundering concerns. According to the judgment, that meaning suggested the ministers had arranged their transactions in a non-transparent way to avoid public scrutiny. Bloomberg and the reporter were ordered to pay each minister $230,000 in damages. Now, another $145,000 in legal costs has been awarded to each minister. That includes $50,000 for work before the trial, $65,000 for the 6.5-day trial, and $30,000 for work after the trial. This brings the amount payable to each minister to $375,000. For both ministers combined, the total is $750,000. Here is the important distinction. Damages compensate a person for the harm caused by defamatory material. Legal costs cover part of the expense of bringing or defending the case. This means losing a defamation suit can create two separate financial burdens. The judgment also highlights something journalists and online creators should understand. A court does not examine only whether each sentence is technically correct. It may also consider the impression created when the headline, wording, context, and selected facts are read together. A report can therefore become legally risky even when the most serious meaning is suggested rather than directly stated. This matters beyond large international media companies. Singapore creators who discuss public figures, property transactions, or alleged misconduct face the same basic responsibility. Adding words like allegedly may not solve the problem if the full video still presents an unsupported conclusion as obvious. At the same time, responsible reporting must still examine powerful people and issues of public interest. The challenge is to separate verified facts from suspicion, provide proper context, and avoid implying wrongdoing without sufficient evidence. In my view, that balance is essential. Strong journalism should ask difficult questions, but those questions must be supported by careful reporting and fair presentation. Do you think publishers should be judged mainly by the facts they state, or also by the impression their entire story leaves with readers? Share your view below, and support 2230 by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more trusted news explainers.